Hi everybody, it's me Aidan. Welcome back to my cooking show, my little chefs. Today we're going to be making banana popsicles. The ingredients that we're using are maple sugar, coconut milk, concentrated vanilla, and a banana. You guys see how it's brown? Most likely, you guys think it's gross or it's old. It's actually sweet and great for desserts. The items that we're using are popsicle molds. Most important thing. Woo! A quarter of a teaspoon, a big spoon, a fork, a plate, popsicle sticks. If your popsicle stick molds come with a popsicle stick holder, you'll be needing that. Guys, the first step is gonna be peeling the banana. Guys, sometimes when your banana is brown, it's like so the peel breaks so easily. Like, look, you see, I'm barely doing anything. It breaks straight off. It's hard to peel a brown banana. Have your parents help. You see how it's like brownish and softer? That's a good thing. Now guys, we want to take our fork and start mashing. Grab our sugar, our maple sugar, put some on top. Not really some, you just want to coat it. Now you want to take your milk, shake it up. Put not a lot,